Del Mundo. This is my characters in Angry Birds Go Tiny Punch. Can you see it? This is Redbird. This is Redbird in this character. Redbird is the speed power in Angry Birds Go. Next, Yellowbird. Yellowbird is a speeding bird in world. Bumbird. Bumbird is a power of bump. And Stella. Stella powers bubbles. King Pig. King Pig is a king of pig and he favorites eggs. This is Greenbird. Greenbird is a green. Yeah, a spinner bird. Excuse me, Whitebird. Whitebird is a egg. Is Matilda. Next, the Blues. The Three Blues is a bird. He powers 3 in 1. It is Corporal Pig. Corporal Pig is a Lolo in Angry Birds Pigs. This is pig that can favorite TNT to eggs. Next, Bubbles. The last bird, the last consonant. Bubbles can a big bird. Meron siyang maging malaki. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm half American and half Philippine. Thanks for watching.